Simon. So, we've got our Premcrete Select Startup box here with us today.
Wow!
Should we open it and take a look?
Yeah, why not?
As we open the box, we have the training manuals. Inside, you get loads of goodies, including brochures, our product chart, and our all-important technical guide. Now, no site would be complete without an exclusive Premcrete branded mug.
It's no bugs game.
Hydration is key, so we've packed in a Premcrete water bottle.
All in a day's slurp.
Next up, for all your notes and sketches, we've got a wide notebook for you.
Right on point.
Obviously, a Premcrete pen is needed to help you with that.
Premcrete? More like Pencrete. And finally, when it comes to the crunch, we've got our delicious Premcrete cookies.
More like Prem treat.
I hope you enjoy these boxes as much as we do of making them and the puns.